Hi! In front of me is CUBOT P50 and today I would like to show you how you can set up Face Unlock on this device. You need to start by opening device's settings and choosing security section. Now click on Face Unlock over here and enter your current screen lock. After that you need to select more at the bottom right corner and tap on agree at the bottom right corner as well. Then choose start. And remember to keep your face in frame. Now select done at the bottom right corner one more time, and now when I click on home button, turn off my screen and then turn it back on. I guess that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!